Athena Antoinette, still trying to pop like a bottle of wet. So please go ahead and click that subscribe button. We are back again with another eyebrow extension video. You guys, this hack here, oh my gosh, it was so wonderful. It lasted for about 5 days. Would have been 6, but I slept like on the side of my face. I've been trying to sleep on my back, so it has been beneficial with keeping my eyebrows like nice or whatever. I do kind of want to try laying them down with a lace band, like to set them and then also to keep them. I don't know, but there are a few things that I have kind of toyed around with. I know that you need something firm yet thin to apply your adhesive. This needle did it for me. It was firm yet thin, and it had kind of like the curvature of, you know, like your eyebrow. So it just kind of, I don't know, it kind of just allowed it to flow nice and evenly, I guess you could say. It was just easy to follow with this method. So as you can see, I'm applying it just like I did the first time. I kind of had a thought of lining it with some sort of product so that way it could be more easy to see once I apply the lashes. My fear is that the makeup itself will get stuck in the glue and cause it to look murky instead of that nice, crisp, clean look that I'm trying to achieve. So not too sure about that yet. Here I am just trying to smooth out this adhesive. I'm still sticking with the lace glue for right now. I do want to try the clear eyelash adhesive and see how that works. I don't know if it will be too shiny though, or how that actually works on skin. These are the lashes that you need to get. Notice that they are flat at the base instead of like a little knot, and it covers more surface area. I'm going in with my second layer of adhesive here. Not too sure how I feel about that. I do kind of feel like it made the glue look like an actual layer of something within the lashes, within the brows by, I would say maybe by the evening of the third day. It was kind of like, I think I can kind of see some glue build up. Not sure if I want to stick with just one layer, or like I said previously with the actual like tying it down to try to melt them. That might also help that glue flatten out. And I'm just trying to, you know, smooth it out as much as possible. A viewer asked me a question about how I get the glue off of the lash band itself. These completely alleviates that problem, because some kind of way the lashes are adhered like more towards the curvature of the lashes to like a strip in the little box, so you don't have any glue stuck on that little ball. Notice here I'm holding it at the bottom and pressing it down versus the top. Still trying to play around with application methods, and also different application methods depending on what point of the brow you're in. I'm sure it'll be easier if you're doing it on somebody else versus yourself, but for now, I don't know. Back to these type of lashes. These are mermaid tail lashes. Like I said, I really like these because of the flat width that they have with them. I wish I would have placed that just a little bit higher. But yeah, so I wonder if I can find a nice flat mermaid tail style lash, but in a lighter color, because it's just a little too harsh. But I did think of a hack to fix that and make it blend in. I don't know why, but the tail of my brow gives me such a hard time each time. What I did find out was just a little alcohol will allow you to maneuver those lashes a bit without taking them completely off, but you can't use too much, okay? And I don't know why I didn't put it in there, but all I did was stick it back up there because it was still enough adhesive to allow it to be sticky. I did a lot better off camera. I think the recording kind of threw me a little bit. This is NARS, and I believe this is the shade Cocoa. And all I did was take a little brush and just lightly dust that onto those lashes. The brows, the lashes that we're turning into brows, just to soften them so you don't have such of a harsh black. It will probably be nice if my hair was still jet black, but I think this is just a little bit better with my hair color. This is my favorite part. One day I just feel like I'm gonna get the glue perfect and I'm gonna be able to cut these so clean, and it is gonna be so satisfying, and I'm just waiting for the day because this is my Okay, listen. Let's slow down for a second. I love this. Every day I wake up and I have brows, baby. I can just walk out the house. I don't even need lashes. My hair is looking a little crazy. Who cares? I have brows on my face. Oh my goodness, I love it so much. I love it. So I'm definitely going to figure this out. All right. So y'all just one person. Please try this for me. Try this for me so that I know I'm not crazy. Let me know what you think about it. Let me know if it makes sense. Look at the hair though. Look at that. That's nice. That is nice and cheap. It's nice and cheap. And I could look like this for like 5 days in a row. And I'm pretty sure I could probably extend it out longer than 5 days and just do like little refills here and there when I need it. I'd be busy. I ain't even going front. I'd be busy. And also I kind of just wanted to see how long it would take for like all of them to fall out. By the 7th day, they were still kind of like, all right, let me just go ahead and take these off. So it was still a nice amount of hair there. I say it's worth trying, you guys. Just look at the finish. Just check it out. Let me know what you think. Go ahead and subscribe. Leave a comment. Turn your notification bell on so that way next time I try, you can see. If you try it, please let me know. Love you guys. Bye.